All right, here's a real quick video on the Sectra. If the screen is not on like this after moving the mouse to wake it up, if there's a blank screen, in other words, then come to the back here, go to the very bottom and go to the tower. And on the front of the tower, feel around and you will feel on the over there where that blinking light is a on and off button. So just press that button and release, and that'll wake up the computer. And then give it a few seconds and then it'll look like this. And once it looks like this, you can either see that heart or that skeleton looking icon, or there's also a shortcut VH dissector table over there, and we can just click it using the mouse and then click it, and then that boots up. Give it a few seconds and it's called VH dissector table. Once that boots up, you get this, those 3 panels. If you want to get rid of the panels, you got some wording on the right, the cadaver on the middle, and then cross sections or sagittal sections and frontal sections. So I like to go to views, which is that one right there. Just touch it. This is all touch screen, and there's your 3 panels you can get rid of. Let's get rid of the lessons, so now no lessons. And if you don't want a cross section, then you're only left with the guy in the middle. And then this is all touch screen, so I just touch it and then it goes away. So now we got this guy, and it's either 1 finger, 2 finger, or there's even some 3 finger techniques. So touch the screen. Okay, it might be a 2 finger technique. There we go. So a 2 finger will slide him around like that. And then you can rotate, you can supinate, and now yep, so you can move him around that way. And then you can converge and diverge for size. Really neat. Of course, the glare is real bad with these lights. So let's put them back here. Well, let's rotate them. Let's rotate a 1 finger. That's a 1 finger. 2 finger to change his orientation. There we go. And then we have this. So now we can touch, and it got rid of that trap. So we go to this where it says dissect, and we touch that, and that's what it's set for. Now it opens up this little panel, and that's set for dissect. We can touch that, and it's still set for dissect. Instead of that, we could hit highlight. So now when we touch, it'll highlight the muscle in question. And you can rotate them now, move them around, and see how that muscle travels. And okay. And then there we go. We can go back to this, and you can highlight different colors too, of course. So hit highlight, and let's change it. We can pin it. So now I have the pin. Let's go to one of the erectors there. And there it highlights it and it gives its name. We can go to another one. They can quiz each other on that. There's your deltoid. Now we go back there and let's dissect, which means when we touch it, it goes away. Now as we touch them, they go away. So now we can get to some deeper layers. Get rid of those rhomboids, get rid of that trap. Now we can see some erectors coming. And now we can go back and let's highlight. And let's say we pick one of those. And now it's labeled, but for testing purposes, there it goes, it went away. The wording went away. So now we can get a piece of paper and whatever question we want to write, identify the highlighted in the pink highlighted muscle, and letter B, what is its bilateral action?